Okay, I'm in the kitchen.
Can you see it?
No. Sorry.
Is there anything on the table?
There are some plates, there's Helen's mug, but no purse.
How about on the work surfaces?
I can't see it. There's only the newspaper.
Could you look under it?
Okay. I've got it.
Oh, thanks, Matt. I was really worried. Can you put it on the kitchen table? I can pick it up later.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. My keys! I don't believe it! Matt, answer the door, please.